I'll show you how to add original audio with music on Instagram. So first things first, what you have to do is that you have to go and search for Instagram on your mobile. It's like select over here. So I'll click on this and choose any video. I'll choose this video. Click on next. Now, as you can see, I'm over here. Now, what you have to do is that you have to go over here in music and search for like this music. Okay, this music is over here. Okay, so I'll get go. And as you can see, this music is running right now. So if you want to add if you want the original audio is to also be heard, so what you have to do is you have to go over here to this voice option. Now you have to change this to something like 30 or 40 so that the original audio is also can also be heard. And this is the main audio of the main video clip that's over here. So once you click on done, and you have to click close over here. So once that's done, you can just say just post the video. So this is how you can add original audio with music on Instagram. So yeah, that was the video, and thanks for watching.